guys, welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage, and if you're new, I'm Mikey, and today we are at the SWAT meet at an old movie theater, and as you can see, there is lots of motorcycle parts everywhere. So if you want to see what we do here, stay tuned. And just for show, I want you guys to check out this cool Indy car right here. People used to have these back in the day, and they were basically like, if you know what a cozy coupe is from Little Tykes. Yes, that's basically the oldest version of those. And this right here is a pan shovel motor.
Cut it right about here.
2-cylinder engine. Look, we even found Betty Boop right here. Strange sight.
Daddy Ed Roth.
Look, we even found some old G.I. Joes right here.
I got a 65. He had a 66.
Really old.
And then one nephew's what? Got a 69? That. And the other nephew's got a 66.
Right here.
He got some.